This video is proudly brought to you by Web3bridge with Links, our official sponsors for Cohort 11.
React is actually a JavaScript library used for building a front end for user interfaces, whereby users can come and see whatever is happening on the DApps.
Web2 basically uses database, a centralized database, and data is stored on centralized servers. For the Web3, which has a decentralized nature, is stored on the blockchain technology, and we look into how data is actually stored. So from the front end to the back end, where data is seen on the client to the server, that is for the Web2. On the Web3, data is being stored on the blockchain in a decentralized nature, and we make use of smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain to store data. So basically, these are the core areas in which Web2 differs from Web3.
Other characteristics of React: does not use the normal DOM, it uses a virtual DOM. It is also a component-based architecture, and it allows proper state management through hooks.
So as the architecture goes, the front-end facing UI would communicate with a wallet, be it MetaMask or Connect Wallet or whatever wallet it may be. Now that wallet will handle signing transactions that were made to a node which has a copy of a particular blockchain, any particular L1s there are. Ethereum, Bitcoin, whatever respective L1s that there are. So what a node is basically is that it's a dedicated system that actually runs a replica of a particular blockchain. That is, it has the respective, first of all, it has the needed software that it needs, that's required to actually have a replica of all the data that's being stored in a particular blockchain, and then grants the respective users access to communicate with that particular blockchain, be it reading data from it or writing data to it, or basically interacting with a particular smart contract via that node, and also carrying out transaction on that node, serving as a distributed replica for that particular blockchain. So for that to be carried out, the respective node service providers out there, the usual suspects would be Alchemy and Infura. They already grants like a endpoint to front-end applications that would communicate with them, and then in turn communicate with the respective information that's been held by that node, copies of the particular blockchain that it's serving or running a replica for.